We're going to be looking at cosine law. Again, you would use cosine law to solve any acute triangle. And you would use it if you're given two sides. So if I know this side, and the angle in between the two sides. And then you would also use it if you're given all three sides and you want to know any of the three angles, okay? In any other situation is when you would use sine law. So you'd only use cosine law in this type of situation. Okay, so we're going to use, this is the equation that solves for an unknown side length or unknown angle in an acute triangle. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b times cos c. Again, you have to label your triangle properly. If this is A, this side is A. If this is B, this side is B. If this is C, this side length is C. You really only need to memorize this one formula that says c squared is equal to. Okay, so once you've labeled your sides, all you have to do is plug in the values and solve for the unknown. So we'll do an example. In this example, we're given two side lengths and an angle in between. So we're going to use the cosine law. Which side will be labeled as side A? 40 meters. Side B? 32 meters. And I need to find side C. Okay, so we're going to use the formula c squared. You always want to have your unknown as C, either the side C or the angle C. In order to use this formula, label your triangle with C as your unknown. Okay, so we're trying to find c squared. So all we're going to do is plug in. Well, now that I've labeled my triangle properly, what's A? So c squared is equal to 40 squared plus 32 squared minus 2 times, what's A? 40 times B times cos, and do I know angle C? 58. Okay, so all you need to do now is use BEDMAS and solve. First thing I did was 40 squared plus 32 squared. Then I multiplied 2 times 40 times 32 times cos 58, and this is what I got. Again, we're going to follow BEDMAS. Add this together and subtract it by this. By that, I get c squared is equal to 1,267.406684. How do I solve for c? Square root. And let's round it to the nearest whole number. We get approximately 36 meters.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.